Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save outfits on RH Dance Studio. So go to Avatar Editor, and for instance, you have this outfit that you want to save. Go to the outfit section. Then you're going to select Save Your Outfit here. If you want to delete it, you can select this delete button and press yes. And to wear past outfits, you're just going to press wear here. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.